Hey there, shoe enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got an exciting lineup for you. We're going to showcase 12 modern shoes that are not only amazing, but also packed with innovative features that cater to different needs and preferences. Whether you're an athlete, a fashionista, or simply someone who values comfort and style, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. Number 12. Moonwalkers. Our first shoe on the list is something straight out of the future. Moonwalkers. These shoes are unlike anything you've ever seen before. They feature a built-in levitation system that allows you to glide effortlessly above the ground. Yes, you heard that right. Levitation. It's like walking on air, quite literally. Moonwalkers use magnetic levitation technology to provide a floating sensation when you walk, reducing the impact on your joints and giving you a feeling of weightlessness. The shoes are equipped with powerful magnets, and the soles are lined with electromagnetic sensors to control the levitation height. They come with customizable LED lights for added style. Moonwalkers offer a unique walking experience that can help alleviate joint stress and provide a futuristic, eye-catching look. Number 11. ShiftWear. Customize your kicks. Next up, we have ShiftWear, the ultimate customizable sneakers. These shoes bring your inner artist to life by letting you change their design in real time, right from your smartphone. ShiftWear shoes have built-in e-link displays that allow you to choose from a vast library of designs or even create your own. It's like having a blank canvas on your feet. These shoes are powered by a smartphone app that lets you switch designs, colors, and animations with a few taps. They're also water-resistant and have a long-lasting battery. ShiftWear shoes give you the freedom to express your style and mood, making a statement wherever you go. Number 10. ShoesX. Now, for the fitness enthusiasts out there, we present ShoesX, a revolution in smart sports footwear. These shoes take your workout to the next level. ShoesX are equipped with pressure sensors and motion trackers that provide real-time feedback on your posture, balance, and performance during physical activities. The shoes link with a mobile app to offer personalized coaching, helping you improve your form and prevent injuries. They're also incredibly comfortable for long training sessions. ShoesX are a game changer for athletes, helping them optimize their workouts and reduce the risk of injury. Number 9. Enko running shoes, a new revolution in running. Are you a passionate runner? If so, you'll love our next pick, Enko running shoes. These shoes redefine the concept of cushioning and support. Enko shoes feature a patented mechanical cushioning system that adapts to your running style and weight, providing unparalleled shock absorption and energy return. They come with adjustable springs to fine-tune the level of cushioning and support, ensuring a personalized running experience. Plus, they're designed to reduce muscle fatigue. Enko running shoes are a must-have for runners seeking comfort and performance enhancement during their workouts. Number 8. DropLabs EP01 Sneaker. We have something that combines music and footwear, the DropLabs EP01 sneakers. These shoes literally let you feel the music. DropLabs EP01 shoes have embedded haptic sensors that sync with your music, creating vibrations and sensations that correspond to the beat and rhythm. They connect to your device via Bluetooth and have a customizable EQ to fine-tune your audio and haptic experience. Plus, they're sleek and stylish. If you're a music lover or a gamer, these sneakers provide an immersive audio experience like no other. Are you finding the video valuable so far? If yes, then consider hitting the like and subscribe button as it motivates us to keep bringing you amazing content. Don't leave the screen, you'll miss out on what comes next.
Oh, that's crazy. This basically brings a concert to your home. Yeah.
Number 7. Indestructible Shoe. Now, let's talk about durability and safety. Indestructible shoes are built to withstand the toughest conditions. These shoes are made with military-grade materials, including a steel-toe cap and puncture-resistant sole, making them practically indestructible. Despite their rugged construction, they're surprisingly lightweight and comfortable, making them ideal for people in physically demanding jobs. If you work in a hazardous environment or just want footwear that lasts, Indestructible shoes are a wise choice. Number 6. NakeFit. Alright, our next item is a game changer for those who love going barefoot but need some protection. NakeFit Adhesive Shoes. NakeFit is a disposable adhesive sole that sticks to your feet, providing protection from rough surfaces while maintaining the feel of being barefoot. They are waterproof, anti-slip, and can be used on various surfaces from the beach to the pool to your home. NakeFit is perfect for anyone who wants the freedom of going barefoot without compromising hygiene or safety.
NakeFit is the ultimate way of protecting your feet in every circumstance, at the swimming pool and at the water park.
Number 5. Jump 99. Are you looking to increase your vertical jump and agility? Jump 99 shoes are designed for athletes and fitness enthusiasts, aiming to enhance their performance. These shoes have a unique 4-foot platform that promotes explosiveness and vertical leap, making them ideal for sports like basketball and volleyball. They come with a training program to help you maximize your jumping ability and agility. The shoe's design also offers ankle support. If you're serious about improving your athleticism, Jump 99 shoes can help you reach new heights. Number 4. Talking shoes. Here's something fun and quirky. Talking shoes. These shoes literally have a voice of their own. Talking shoes use voice recognition technology to engage in conversations with you. They can tell jokes, provide weather updates, and even play games. They're equipped with speakers and microphones, and you can customize their personality and voice. Talking shoes are perfect for those who want to add a touch of humor and entertainment to their daily routine.
I love the feeling of wind in my laces.
Number 3. Nike Slime Dunk. Now, we're going to delve into a unique and eye-catching pair of kicks, the Nike Slime Dunk. These shoes take sneaker design to a whole new level. The Nike Slime Dunk is all about pushing the boundaries of creativity and self-expression. They are designed to stand out and make a statement wherever you go. These sneakers feature a translucent, slime-inspired sole that oozes style. The upper is made from premium materials, ensuring durability and comfort. Plus, they come in a variety of vibrant colors. If you're a sneakerhead looking for a one-of-a-kind pair that reflects your bold and artistic personality, the Nike Slime Dunk is the perfect choice. They're a conversation starter and a true work of art for your feet. Number 2. Columbia Omni Heat Electric Boots. Alright folks, we've got something special for those of you who appreciate warmth and comfort in the colder months. The Columbia Omni Heat Electric Boots. These boots are here to keep your feet cozy in style. The Columbia Omni Heat Electric Boots are designed to combat cold weather with the help of advanced heating technology. They're your go-to footwear for winter adventures, whether you're hiking in the snow or strolling through a chilly city. These boots feature battery-powered heating elements embedded in the sole. You can control the heat levels via a smartphone app, ensuring your feet stay warm, no matter how low the temperature drops. They also come with Omni Heat reflective lining to retain and reflect your body heat. If you've ever had to deal with freezing toes during the winter, these boots are a game changer. They provide unparalleled warmth and comfort while allowing you to stay active in cold conditions. Plus, they look great and come in various styles to suit your taste.
Warmth right at your fingertips. At the touch of a button, our footwear delivers customizable warmth directly to your feet.
Number 1. The Art of Shoes. The last one is a different dimension of footwear, the art of shoes. These aren't just shoes, they are masterpieces of craftsmanship and design, each telling a unique story. The primary function of the art of shoes is to transcend the boundaries of utility. These shoes are not solely for practicality, but serve as wearable art, showcasing the incredible skill and creativity of shoemakers. What sets the art of shoes apart is the meticulous attention to detail. These shoes are often handmade using the finest materials, including rare leathers, precious stones, and intricate embroidery. They can be custom designed to fit your personality and style. While the art of shoes may not be your everyday footwear, they are perfect for special occasions or as collector's items. Owning a pair is like owning a piece of history and culture, celebrating the union of fashion, art, and craftsmanship. And there you have it, folks. A remarkable journey through the world of shoes. From futuristic marvels to artistic wonders, footwear has truly evolved into an incredible realm of innovation, style, and craftsmanship. If you've enjoyed this exploration as much as we have, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Whether you're a sneakerhead, an adventurer, a fashionista, or an art enthusiast, there's a pair of shoes out there waiting to amaze you.